Hey everybody, Karma Cashflow here, and today I really want to talk about scripting versus outlining. One of the things that I have particularly done in the past when I've done YouTube videos is I have pretty much scripted out absolutely every single word that I have used. And let me tell you, when you are writing for 3, 4, 5 hours out of the day in order to do one script, that is really not feasible and manageable in the long term. So while I'm doing all of these videos for YouTube, if I continue to do all of these long scripts, I'll never get anything done. I won't be able to do social media posting. I'm not going to be able to write a blog post. I'm not going to be able to do anything like that, all because I'm trying to write a script. So what I've actually done is I've decided to do outlining. Essentially what outlining is just putting together bullet points in order for me to have the ideas of what I want to say. And this usually takes me maybe about a half an hour in order to get out my thoughts enough for me to make a video on what I want to speak about for our YouTube channel. And then I can pound out 3, 4, or even 5 outlines in order to be able to batch process all of my YouTube channels. Now, I do take a different turn when I am doing some like course development. So if I'm doing a video for one of my courses, I will literally outline and script every single word that I say. I want to make sure that I have absolutely everything down and that I don't overwhelm my student or anything like that. So with my courses, I do script out everything, and I think that that's okay. But with your YouTube channel, or like with my YouTube channel, I end up not scripting out as much. Now, when I first started out, it was that way. I was scripting out absolutely everything. But since then, looking at people like Pat Flynn and live streaming pros and so forth, I have changed the way that I do things because I don't see it as being feasible anymore. I have literally sat on my couch, which is right here, and I have spent 5 or 6 hours coming up with a single YouTube video in order to put here on the channel. And because of that, I wasn't able to do anything else. And I don't recommend that if you're going to do something like YouTube. I don't think that it's best for you to script out every single little word. Now, this doesn't apply to everybody, all right? This is the general population. Most people, I don't believe that it's beneficial for. But there are those few people where it does work. Like I said, it works for me. Now, if I had someone writing all of my content, I probably have no problem in doing that, reading a script word for word. I think it could be very beneficial, but you have better things to do. You have marketing to do. You have advertising to do. You have all of this other stuff. Writing an entire script for one single episode is not very beneficial in your favor. It's not going to get your business ahead. So with that in mind, which are you going to choose? Are you going to choose the scripting way, or are you going to choose the outlining way? Leave me a comment in the comment section below. And if you've liked this video, please go ahead and smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit that little bell icon so that you get notifications of any time I upload another video. And while you're at it, go ahead and click on one of the other videos that are on the screen right now. And remember, you are just one cash flow stream away from financial freedom.